For the first time in the history of the world, human beings are now large enough in numbers and in economic prowess and the way in which we're living to be the primary determinant of the habitability of the planet for ourselves and all other species. This is unprecedented, and it's because of enormous growth. As a result of that, all the living systems on the Earth are in long-term decline. The fisheries, the forests, the wetlands, the grasslands. And so we're facing, for the first time, a huge challenge.
There was a strange interaction I had with a New York Times reporter. He says, well, who cares whether or not the colleges and universities reduce their carbon footprint? You don't have a big carbon footprint to begin with. You only got 2 or 3% of the carbon footprint in the country. We said, well, yeah, that's true. It's true. But we have 100% of the student footprint.
I think that for all the good we're doing, we're just piddling compared to what we ought to be doing and compared to what we could be doing. Think about it, 6.7 million jobs lost, and all this work out there just laying on the ground, begging to be done with an absolute certain high return.
Our job in higher education is going to be to prepare the next generation of scientists, technicians, parents, entrepreneurs, and what I call global humanitarians to bring this charge forward, and we simply don't have time to wait.
Second Nature is a nonprofit organization that was started by Senator John Kerry, Teresa Heinz, and I in 1993 with the express purpose of transforming the education, research, and practice of higher education that will result in a healthy, just, and sustainable society. We want the kind of thinking to be second nature. We helped organize and continue to support a commitment by 670 colleges and universities in the United States that have agreed to eliminate or neutralize all of their greenhouse gas emissions on their campuses, and to assure that all the graduates will have the knowledge and skills to do the same for the rest of society.
Even as we reduce greenhouse gases as we move into the future, we will have to realize impending climate change. All of our social and economic systems have been fine-tuned to the climate of our place. The climate of our place will be different in the future.